What are you doing?
She loves to jump down onto the floor, and if you don't have your socks on, she'll bite your toes.
Hey, no bite. Ow!
She jumped on top of my monitor one time and bit down into it and cracked the screen. So if I don't keep an eye on her, she will get into mischief. We got Symon when she was 3 months old. Our other bird, Mickey, has been with us about 3.5 years. So we decided that we'd like to get another parrot for him. But I never realized he wasn't sexed. So when we took him for a wellness test, we found out that Symon was actually a girl. We didn't want to change a name, so we just changed the I in Symon to a Y. Hello. When she came into the house, she didn't really say much, but she's a bit cheeky. She already chewed off the keys on my keyboard. She doesn't ever want to go to bed, so it's a fight to get her into her house. She's a young baby who just likes to cause trouble.
Uh-oh.
So we started with her training.
Step up. Step up.
We have talking lessons every day. And I go through a list of different words that I use with her.
Good morning. Good morning.
She probably has about 50 words that she uses. Some words are in favor.
Happy birthday.
And she hasn't really stopped talking since. And our bond has gotten stronger. She'll sit on my shoulder and she'll snuggle up to me.
Hello. Can I come with this?
Symon has brought so much joy into me and my wife's life. I can't imagine life without her. And we absolutely love her being a little devil.